To Infinite Trading Method Part 21. You can watch the other parts in the series, and we start off our first trade at $2 and we sell here. Right, the reason why we sold was because the RSI and the CCI both under their halfway points. Those are the two indicators you need for any one of the binary trading methods. Binary trading IQ options, digital options, pocket options. This is the only trading method you'll need, and RSI 14, CCI 14, both under their respective halfway points. That's why we sold. Even though this loses, we do $2, and if 2 lose, 9, 19, 41, and initially you have to win, and then when you do win, you make back more. So you see that $4 would give you $3.44, which is $1.44 profits, right? I'll do one rally, and then in this video make the video shorter and sweeter. We currently start at 8 o'clock, so we sell here for 4 because both indicators are under their halfway points. I don't see my sell showing up. There we go, it's there. Oh my god, I'm up 1 minute. The candle time period is supposed to also be set to 5 seconds. So yes, so you see that it didn't cross, which is a good thing, and see that it bounced off the same point, so that means it's going down. It's a downtrend, right? Even if it goes up, we do 9 and we make back every dollar. Right, patience, one trade at a time. So 4 lost. Okay. Oh, the asset just closed. We just hop on EURUSD right here, and we do whatever for 9, or since I didn't recognize that the asset was going to close, I could hop out here and chill, but this is what we're going to do, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We buy here for 9. We go up to 19 and we wait. Right, patience, patience, patience. And as you can see, that's a W. And 9 gives you back 4, 5, 6, $1.83. Right, you see? So that's the idea. Right? I need the ND. Go back down to 2 and we sell, right? Go DND. Fine, do not disturb from yeah, so DND should be on right now. DND not on. There we go. Do not disturb is on. So all I have to do is just scroll up a bit. Damn, haha, that's funny. Four. Could sell here for 4, and 4 give you back $1.48. So we buy here for 4, which is coming down, which we should have sold, but our indicators went down. That's okay though. So it lose is lost. That's okay. we just 9 and then we wait for the purchase deadline to reach 5 seconds, and we either A buy or we sell, right? We're trading at night. We were trading OTC for a second when it switched to normal markets, right? So 19, we wait. Nice. So our trade won, and as you can see here, we made back 9 and 1 is 10, 15 dollar and 53 cents. This is how the trading method works. So we'll make one more rally and then we'll end this video. So 2, we started at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the 8th minute, which is good. You can trade like this for as long as you want, as long as you have enough money. You trade from, I guess, not as long as you want. You trade in the daytime. So from 8 to about 1 in the day, you can trade. Just trade. Just trade. Don't give a fuck. Just trade, right? And with doing that every single day with this method, you'll be able to make bank, bro. Like $2. Well, technically, based on the percentage, $1.74. Sometimes it's almost $2, like $1.98 or something. So, $1.90. That's what happens in the day. It's currently 8 at night, and the percentage is very low, right? This is infinite traded method. Path part 21, I believe. And this shall be the last trade of the day. I said the other one was the last, but I guess I need to. Yeah, I've been quiet, waiting for the trade to finish, and we won. So this is infinite trader method. Part 21. And GG, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Share this video, share it to people. This works infinitely. Like this short method, and If you made it to the end of the video, then this is the Easter egg, bro. You can go as far as you want if you have enough money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 losses in a row. You don't lose 8 times in a row. I mean, you can, but not if you're following the CCI and the RSI. When they're up, you buy. When they're down, you sell. How much time can these two things be wrong? You feel me? Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Infinite Trading Method. GG, man.